Sonal's flower vase. Read, imagine, learn English through stories. One day, Sonal's father gave her a nice flower vase. Sonal was very happy because she was fond of flowers. The following morning, she went to the garden and plucked roses, jasmines, marigolds, and many other colorful flowers. She arranged them beautifully in her new flower vase and put it in the living room. The living room was well adorned with the flower vase, and the fragrance of the fresh flowers permeated the atmosphere. This became a daily routine for Sonal. One day, Sonal was sitting in the living room and playing with her pet cat. Suddenly, a stranger entered the room. The cat was so frightened on seeing him that she scampered out of the room. As she was going, her leg hit the flower vase and it broke into pieces. Sonal was furious with the cat. She picked up a stick and ran after the cat to hit her. But the cat swiftly ran out of the house and climbed up a tree in the garden. When Sonal saw the broken pieces of the flower vase, she was so dejected that she cried the whole day. She even refused to eat. Her parents tried to console her, but it was all in vain. At last, Sonal's mother brought a mirror and said, "Sonal, look at your face in this mirror. Do you see how you look?" When Sonal saw her face in the mirror, she was shocked. After a bath in the morning, when she stood in front of the mirror, her face looked fresh and beautiful. But now her face looked ugly because of her anger and tears. She immediately turned her face away from the mirror. Crying, Sonal said, "Mother, why do I look so ugly in the mirror?" Sonal's mother cuddled her and said, "My dear child, your face looks ugly because of your anger. But your soul becomes uglier than your face, because, when you get angry, the soul, too, is scarred." Mother's kind and gentle words had a magical effect on Sonal. Sonal, at once, calmed down. She promised her mother that she would never get angry. Our anger hurts us more than anyone else. Never grieve over small losses. Kind and gentle words will appease an angry man. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.